Picture this. Every project you manage comes with a team of tireless experts, always organized and ready to help you move faster. Welcome to Super Agents in ClickUp, where AI-powered agents can work right alongside you to make project management effortless. And in today's video, I'll walk you through examples of project management agents that you can build in ClickUp, giving you inspiration for how to build agents that fit your specific needs. It all starts within our project intake list. I've built a project intake agent that triages and routes each new submission to the right person. This agent is launched via automation so that every time a new task is created, it automatically springs into action. Let's take a closer look. This task here was recently submitted. Let's see our agent in action. As we scroll up, we can see here that the agent has launched. Leveraging the full context of the task, you'll notice that the agent has provided a concise summary of the submission. Recognizing that the due date is within 3 weeks, the agent has set the priority to urgent to reflect the time-sensitive nature of the project. It's also assigned the task to Jen, the subject matter expert for security-related initiatives, ensuring the right expertise is focused on moving the project forward. Once a project is properly triaged, the task is moved to the portfolio list. We're now ready to start planning and building out this project. To kick things off, I assign my task to the project plan agent. This agent is designed to set the foundation for the project. As we jump into the task, on the right-hand side, you'll see that our project plan agent has sprung into action. It's provided us with a detailed project charter, giving us a confident path forward. But not only that, it's built out our deliverables as subtasks within this task, giving myself and the team a clear path forward. Now, as my project moves forward, I use a project report writer agent to keep everyone informed. At any point, a project leader, a stakeholder, or even myself can invoke the agent either from a shared channel such as this one or the project task to instantly gather the latest updates on my project. This agent delivers clear, concise progress reports so your team always knows where things stand. And when the project reaches the finish line, the project report writer seamlessly shifts to wrap-up mode. With a simple prompt, it checks that all deliverables are complete, captures key lessons learned, and provides a comprehensive final summary for the team. Now, these agents are just a few ideas to get you started. Need inspiration? Head to our Super Agent Builder menu and scroll down through the agent catalog. You'll see here, we have a project management section with ready-made examples. With a simple click, you can launch the builder. From here, simply answer a few prompts to customize your agent for your team's needs. Answer the questions to make sure the agent covers all of your bases. And there you go. Your project management agent is now ready. And that's how you transform project management using super agents. Less chaos, more wins. See you next time.